Hey everyone, welcome back to MZ Car Club, your ultimate spot for upcoming luxury performance machines. Today, we're diving deep into the 2026 BMW M7, a flagship powerhouse that blends extreme performance with executive-level luxury. Let's break down everything: interior, exterior, pricing, safety, performance, and the overall experience. The 2026 BMW M7 arrives as the most powerful and technologically advanced sedan BMW has ever put on the road. On the outside, it carries a bold and dominating presence with its massive illuminated kidney grille, sleek laser LED headlights, and aerodynamic sculpted lines. The low stance, aggressive front bumper, carbon fiber accents, and 21-inch forged M wheels give it a supercar attitude wrapped in a luxury sedan body. The rear features quad exhaust tips, a new 3D LED taillight signature, and an active spoiler that deploys at high speed. Every angle screams performance and prestige. Inside, the M7 is a rolling luxury lounge. BMW fills the cabin with premium leather, crystal glass controls, and ambient lighting that wraps around the dashboard like a futuristic cockpit. The massive curved display stretches across the dash with the latest iDrive 10, offering gesture control, AI-based personalization, and 8K HUD projection. The seats are full-body M Sport massage chairs with heating, cooling, and memory settings. Passengers in the rear get a true VIP experience: reclining lounge seats, touchscreen displays on the doors, and a panoramic sky lounge roof with customizable starlight patterns. Sound comes from a 3D 40-speaker Bowers & Wilkins system that turns the cabin into a concert hall. Under the hood, the 2026 M7 packs a beast: a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 with hybrid boost, pushing out around 750-plus horsepower. This powertrain delivers insane acceleration, 0 to 100 km per hour in under 3 seconds, making it one of the fastest luxury sedans on the planet. The MX Drive AWD system, adaptive air suspension, and active rear wheel steering combine to deliver super sharp handling. Despite its size, the M7 feels athletic, responsive, and incredibly stable at high speed. The hybrid system supports electric-only driving for short distances, perfect for silent city cruising. When it comes to safety, BMW equips the M7 with every advanced feature imaginable: 360 degrees radar mapping, LEVEL3 autonomous driving, emergency collision avoidance, adaptive cruise, lane centering, blind spot shielding, and night vision with animal and pedestrian detection. The ultra-rigid chassis, multi-airbag system, and intelligent braking provide top-tier protection. It's engineered to be one of the safest luxury sedans in its class. Pricing for the 2026 BMW M7 is expected to start around $170,000 to $200,000, depending on configuration and optional M performance packages. With the level of tech, power, and luxury offered, it represents a premium segment aimed at elite buyers who want both luxury and track-ready performance in one package. Overall, the 2026 BMW M7 is a masterpiece, a perfect fusion of luxury, performance, and innovation. It's engineered for drivers who demand the highest level of comfort but still crave adrenaline. With its breathtaking design, futuristic interior, and monstrous power under the hood, the M7 is set to dominate the luxury performance sedan world in 2026.